Hi friends! Let's explore the jungle and meet some awesome animals who live, leap, and play here every day.
Hi, I'm a monkey. I swing from trees, play with my friends, and eat tasty fruits.
I'm a toucan. My colorful beak helps me grab fruit from the treetops. Look at all the colors.
I'm a tiger. I walk quietly through the jungle and help keep everything in balance.
I'm a tree frog. I climb with sticky toes and sing songs when it rains.
We're leafcutter ants. We carry leaves to build our homes and help the forest grow.
Hi there, I'm a sloth. I move slowly, nap a lot, and give great jungle hugs.
All jungle animals have their special jobs. They keep the jungle strong, beautiful, and full of life. Thanks for visiting the jungle. Which animal was your favorite?